The ANZZI 12-inch electric cooktop combines a sleek black glass surface with a compact built-in footprint that suits modern, space-conscious kitchens. Its two independently controlled radiant zones offer precise temperature management, making it easy to cook multiple dishes at once without losing consistency. High wattage heating elements bring pots and pans up to temperature quickly, which noticeably shortens boiling and searing times compared with older electric units. The touch-sensitive control panel and clear digital display with integrated timer make everyday operations straightforward, even when juggling several cooking tasks. Extensive safety measures, including child lock functions, automatic shutoff behavior, residual heat indicators, and overheat protection, help create a very reassuring cooking experience. Because the smooth ceramic glass surface is sealed and water-resistant, spills wipe away easily, and the cooktop maintains a clean, polished look with minimal effort.